Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. I am Charity P, and today I'm going to share with you how I do my marinade, all green marinade. Yes, marinade is a mixture of vegetables and spices that are blended together just to have flavor. So I'm doing all green marinade. Yes, if you've watched my video when I was preparing the okra and garden egg stew, I use the green stuff, and this is how I make it. So the ingredients I'm using, you can see me cutting the green bell pepper. That's one of the ingredients. Then I have my spinach, I have my parsley, I have my leeks, and I have my, how do you call this? I've forgotten it. Spring onion. There's another name for it though, spring onion. So these are the things I'm using for my marinade, green all-purpose marinade. Yeah. So we are cutting everything into pieces. I also have here the tomatoes water that I used after my tomato paste. So what you can see here is this is the frozen tomatoes that I brought out, and all the water have come out. So I sieved it and kept it for this purpose. I also use it in my juices. So this is the water that I'm going to use to mix up my all-purpose green marinade. So you ensure you cut everything into pieces, and everything has been washed thoroughly already. For the leeks, I'm cutting it this way through, and I'll go and wash it again, because if you do not, you realize there are stones in it. So to ensure that everything comes out well, I have to re-wash again. So I'll be back. So I've washed it. I'm adding it to it. I'm going to wash this one too and come back. It has been washed. So this is my spinach. I'm cutting that one too into pieces. I'll add it to it, and then finally my parsley. So here's my blender. I'll put everything in the blender. So what I'm doing now is I'm bringing out my tomato water. We are done with our blending. I'm going to pour it into this to make it easier for me. So now I'm going to fill these ice cubes with my blended marinade. So I finished filling my ice cube containers with my green marinade, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. So this is my frozen green marinade. Yes, I've not been able to get all because of power cut off. So this is what I've got here. Yeah, this is our green marinade. What I usually do with this green marinade is that I use it in my stew, in my soups, and I also use it for my detox juices. Yes, so in the morning I can just take 2 or 1, add it with lime or any other detox ingredient, and then take it on an empty stomach. So it does a whole lot. Though I've added leeks and other things, yes, it's very, very good for our health. So you can try yours. After that, I packed it nicely. You can put it in a zipper bag, but I love to put it in things like this, so that anytime I need it, I'll just bring it out and use it. Lovelies, Is this not so beautiful? Yeah, it's so beautiful and nice. It saves time. When you want to cook, then you just take back, ginger, this. And then your food is done. Yeah, so try it. So lovelies, this is what we've gotten, and we thank all of you for watching. We thank all our returning subscribers. If you are new here, please just give us a thumbs up, like and share our videos, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in another video.